Okay, hi everyone. I think that the most important part of the winter school is the exchange. You know, you have a lot of points of view from different parts of the world, and I think that that's the most interesting part of the winter school. So, and my favorite moment were the workshops because we can discuss a lot of materials, a lot of research projects from different parts of the world, and I know that we are in the same synchronicity, so it was beautiful because we can exchange a lot of information. So I think that's the best. And
So I really have enjoyed the last 5 days of being at this winter school. It's been an expansive look at theories of public policy process, discussion of case studies, policy issues, people from all over the world coming together, along with a lot of fun and laughter. So it's been a great balance, and a lot of care has been taken in organizing this program. So very grateful to be here.
I actually went because it was mandatory to take a course, but I wouldn't have missed it for the world. So useful to learn all about constructivism in my case, about interviews, and also to join karaoke, which was very unexpected, but one of the best parts.
So the winter school has been really enriching, really fun and exciting. We had a very diverse group with us this year, and I was very excited to learn more about constructivism and was able to get some feedback on my own dissertation. So it was really good, very exciting, would definitely recommend.
It was really interesting to learn new things. We have a lot of possibility to speak with others, with researchers, with PhD student, with postdoctoral person. And we can discuss on our research on possible papers. So we have a lot of feedback, and it's I think it will really help a lot to improve our work.
and join us to the next edition.